It's a 2017 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure, thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its class-best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.